Hello, everyone. This is Beverly Black, and how is everyone doing today? I pray that everyone is doing very well and blessed and highly favored. And first of all, I want to tell you, if no one has told you today that they love you, I'm telling you now. I love each and every one of you. My voice may be going in and out, but I'm going to do the best I can with this review. I'm doing a review today, and my voice is crackling from getting over COVID. But I'm coming along. I still got a little cough in my voice going back and forth, but everything's all right. But what I'm doing a review on today is this heating pad. Did you see this? This heating pad. I have tried this pad and it is awesome. I put it on last night. I had it wrapped and I was laying on the bed. And you know how you feel the medicine they give you right before surgery and you just don't care what they do to you? That is how this heating pad had me feeling. And the next thing I know, I was asleep. It felt so good on my shoulder. But this pad, you can use it on different parts of your body. And here is a picture. I hope you can see it. Right here. They are using it on their knee, their shoulder, their back parts, wherever on your body that is hurting. And here it is heavy because it has these little beads on the inside of it. Will you look at this? And here are the settings for it. Right here. It has a timer. Let me turn it back up this way. It has a timer, and it also have the heating settings. So I'm going to put it on my shoulder, around my shoulders. And try it out for you and tell you a little bit more about it. Oh, it's like a poncho or something. It is nice. It is very, very nice. So, I'm going to be reading. It says about the UTK weighted heating pads. UTK weighted neck and shoulder heating pad is uniquely designed to provide target pain relief by combining soothing weight pressure and heat therapy. It is filled with tourmaline beads. Those are the beads that are in here. Tourmaline beads. And power cord is easy to use. UTK weighted neck and shoulder pad is on a perfect balance of warmth and cost. You can sit on the couch to watch TV, read a book, or in the office using it to spread warmth throughout your body. And then it says, what is negative ion technology? Ions are air particles that can be positively or negatively charged through nature. Negative ions bring positive effects to our environment and our cells. Research has shown that negative ions promote positive moods, assist in reducing pain and stress, and enhance one's quality of life. UTK incorporates the best of negative ions application in its products. And the tourmaline beads the use of the tourmaline beads enhances the event transmission of deep penetrating heat. It also promotes the environment environment of therapeutic, can't say the word, therapeutic negative ions. Pain relief. Weighted heat therapy offers relief of pain from minor muscle, neck and shoulder, and other parts of the body. It reduces tension and stress. Weighted heated therapy may be used for relaxation of muscles, release from muscle spasms, minor sprains and strains, minor muscular back pain. It also enhances the blood circulation. As muscle and tissues are warmed, enhancement of local blood circulation benefits the body. So, last night, I first had it on for 30 seconds. I was trying it for 30 seconds. And I enjoyed that so much, I turned it up, not seconds, minutes. I turned it up to 60 minutes. And the next thing I know, I was in that deep sleep. So you turn it on right here, this little round button right here in the middle. It turns it on. And see, I have it set at the 3rd level for the heat. I'm going to turn it up all the way up. I'm turning it all the way up. And I'm going to set it on 30 minutes. See, it's set on 30 minutes and I have it turned on. You have your plus and your minus right here where you can add or take away. If it's getting too hot for you, you just hit there and it'll take it away. Or you can add if you want more heat. And right now it is heating up. And it feels so good. Let me get the full look of it. That's it. And the beads are in there. And it's soft. And see, it goes up to your neck. You can put it on your knee, your back area, or whatever is hurting. And I am really, really enjoying this pad. Oh, it feels so good. I think I'm going to sit here and keep this on because I'm sitting here in my chaise and I'm going to watch some TV and keep this on as I'm watching because it is so warm. Oh my goodness. So if you're looking for a heating pad, you should try this one out. I'll have it down in my description how you can find this on Amazon. So if you're interested, please try it out. The cord is very long. You won't get all tangled up and it be short. It's what you need. And this will make great Christmas gifts. Great Christmas gifts. If you're looking for some or gift at any time, don't have to be Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, anniversaries, this makes a good gift. So I want to thank everyone who has been watching this video today. And if you're looking for that heating pad, you better try this one out. Look, that's how it's flowing in the back. So I want you to get the full look of all of it. And it is so soft, so soft. So everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Be blessed, everyone, and prosperous.